This is 3 minutes Photoshop. First, press Ctrl J to make a copy of your picture. Hide the copy layer by clicking the eye icon. Select your main picture layer. Now choose the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. Select half of your picture. Click on the mask button. Go back to your picture, select it, and resize it as you want. Show the copy layer again. Drag it above the other layers. Finally, right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. I hope you enjoy this video.